Let's take a look at the make ready process. The goal of the make ready process is to prep a property for marketing and also for a tenant to live in. It can be triggered by either the property onboarding process for a new property or the move out process for an existing property. Make readies is a pretty linear process with 2 active stages and 2 outcomes. Each stage includes the steps of the process that must be completed before moving to the next stage. The inspection stage has steps such as scheduling the inspection, starting the marketing process so that there won't be a gap between when the property is ready and when showings can begin, scheduling cleaning and lawn care, uploading the inspection results, creating work orders for any needed repairs, and getting owner approval of the work if needed. At that point, the process moves into the work orders in progress stage. Once you've confirmed all work has been completed, the process will notify the leasing agent and the owner that the property is ready. Then comes a final make-ready inspection and a task to make sure all improvements have been documented. Then the process moves into the make-ready complete stage. However, if the process were to be canceled at any point, the make-ready canceled stage has tasks to make a note as to why the process was canceled, cancel other processes, and start the management cancellation process. The make-ready process uses conditional logic to create a task to get owner approval for work, only if that's needed. It also uses an automatic internal email to notify the leasing agent that work is complete and showings can begin. And that is it for this overview of the make-ready process. Remember, this template is completely customizable, so make it fit your process.